So I did something a little bit crazy. I just messaged all of my daycare families and told them that I'm gonna try something different next week and not serve breakfast. And instead, I'm going to serve a morning snack at 9 a.m. I cut out morning snack a long time ago because the kids weren't eating lunch. But at this point, they're not eating breakfast very well. Like I kind of show you in my videos that hardly any of breakfast gets eaten a lot of days because the majority of my daycare kids eat at home before they come, or they're just not big eaters right away in the morning after they wake up. So cooking breakfast, serving breakfast, cleaning up breakfast takes up a lot of my morning. And I always just did it all these years anyway because I needed to cook breakfast for my own kids. But now all of my own kids are completely capable of making and preparing their own breakfast. Even my 5-year-old loves bagels. He knows how to make a bagel. And his older siblings make him eggs when he wants eggs. And I think I can finally maybe get away with not serving breakfast at daycare anymore since nobody's eating it anyway. When my mom did daycare when I was a kid, she did not serve breakfast either. And she served a morning snack at 9 a.m. and it was always milk and fruit. So it was like healthy and I gotta wash my hands. So anyway, it was a good healthy morning snack and it was like just enough to hold the kids over and still eat a good lunch in the mornings. So that's what I'm going to try and we'll see how it goes. I told my daycare parents that I would share how it's going next week and ask for feedback and see if they have any questions or concerns about it. This will hopefully give me more time to do morning activities with the kids too, because there's always so much I want to do. And our mornings always seem so short because by 11 o'clock I need to be like prepping lunch. So I'm hoping this will just give us more time and the kids will eat better in the long run, eating a little bit later in the morning, but not too much to where they're not eating their lunch. So we're gonna see how this goes. That also means I won't really be having breakfast videos anymore. And like I could share a morning snack, but I'm thinking pretty much every day we're gonna have milk and fruit and that's kind of boring. So yeah, I don't know. Lately I felt like breakfast is a big waste of time and waste of food. And my own kids are opinionated about what they want now that they're older and they want to make their own breakfast. So yeah, this might be an end of an era, but we are going to try it next week and see how it goes. And if I feel like at the end of the week that I still need to be serving breakfast, then I'll go back to breakfast. But yeah. I'm not dishing up plates this morning. I'm just gonna set napkins on the table and bring everybody an applesauce pouch and banana bread. That's what's for breakfast this morning. I also just want to add that my playroom is downstairs. So another big reason of this is like the kids get down from breakfast, they wanna go downstairs and play, but I can't let them go downstairs and play right away until I've cleaned up breakfast. So I feel like I'm just like managing, trying to find something to occupy the kids so that we can get downstairs, and it just seems like breakfast cleanup takes a long time for me. And I can already I have a fridge downstairs and preschool tables, so I'm thinking we can just do milk and fruit down there in the mornings for morning snack, and I have to be occupying the kids upstairs less, and all of my daycare stuff is downstairs. So yeah, that's another reason that kind of played into it.